Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is 인영. Today I'm gonna talk about how to say good luck in Korean. So let's break down these words. Good is 좋은 as an adjective, 좋은, which is coming from a verb, 좋다, to be good. How about luck? 운. Sometimes Koreans say 행운, but you can just say 운 as well. 좋은 운. That becomes good luck. But if you say 좋은 운 to Korean people, they may have no idea what you're trying to say. Because in Korean, we have other ways to say good luck. Here are 4 ways to say good luck. First one, 잘하세요. 잘, well. 하 is from a verb, 하다, to do. 세요 means please. 잘하세요. Please do well. You can just conjugate this verb 하다 to 해요 without using 세요. 잘해요. 잘해요. If you drop 요, this becomes casual. 잘해. 잘해. Second one, you probably may have heard this before. 화이팅. 화이팅 is English word fighting. But in Korean, we have different meaning, as in go, go. Go fight, win the battle. So that also conveys good luck as well. Informal, you can add 입니다. 화이팅입니다. In polite speech, you may add 이에요. 화이팅이에요. In casual, 화이팅이야. Or you may just drop be verb. You can just say 화이팅. I found that first and the second one are the common way for Koreans to say, so you may try one of these phrases. Number 3. 잘 되길 바라요. 잘, well. 되길, 되기 is from a verb, 되다 verb, to become. By adding 기 to the verb root, that becomes a noun. Having R underneath indicates that it is an object because R is the object particle. 바라요 is from a verb 바라다, to hope. 잘 되길 바라요 means I hope it becomes well. I hope it goes well. Here is a note. A lot of Korean people don't actually say 바라요. We commonly say 바래요. But standard way is 바라요. And then the last one, 행운을 빌어요. 행운, luck, 을 object particle. 빌어요 is from a verb 빌다. This is to wish. I wish you luck. 행운을 빌어요. Here are 3 other bonus phrases I like to talk about here. You can use these phrases when someone's lucky. First one, 운이 좋다. 운이 좋다. Luck is good. 너 운이 좋다. You are lucky. Second one, 너 땡 잡았어. Actually, 땡, I don't know what it means by itself, but normally Korean people say 땡 잡다. 잡다 means grab. You grab 땡. 너 땡 잡았어. You are lucky. Another phrase, 대박 났어. 대박 나다. This is also an expression, you hit the jackpot. 너 대박 났어. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like. Are you one of those lucky people? Comment down below. Just let me know how lucky you are. If you have any questions, also leave them comment down below. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.